You ready to go play on the splash? It's rain time!
Are you ready?
Woo! Get him, Kaden! Go, 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 go! Go, go, go!
Go get the rain, Kaden.
Go in the tub!
Go stand in the pool. Go stand in the pool and get the rain, Kaden. Why not?
And spray him.
No hide behind me. I don't want to get wet. Go over there. Maybe did it.
You trying to stand for water?
Did all that stuff come with it?
Yeah. Oh no. The 4 balls that looks like they have faces came with it. Other than that, it's all me. Whatever I have in the kitchen. And wiffle balls.